Today, we will do some modeling using curves and sweep mesh. First, let's create a simple charger model. Create a cube and set an appropriate size. Extrude the top face. We will use different bevel values for the top and bottom, so let's work on them separately. Select the bottom edges and apply a bevel like this. Select the top edges and apply a bevel like this. Delete the faces in between to rebuild the topology. Select the opposing edges and apply bridge. Then select the edge loop, deselect this section, and apply bridge all at once. Extrude the bottom section to create the shape. Select the edges and apply a bevel as shown. Select the top edges and apply another bevel. You can use select contiguous edges to select a continuous chain of connected edges. We will finish the charger body without applying smooth. Create a sphere to make the plug pins. Extrude it appropriately to create the shape. Press the D key and snap the pivot to the center using X snap. Mirror the object to complete the plug pins. From the Mesh display menu, apply Soften Harden Edges to create smooth and consistent shading across the surface. Once finished, group the objects together. Press F8 to enable component selection for all selected objects. Grouping makes it easier to move and scale everything at once. Select the grouped objects and rotate them together. Press the J key to enable rotation snapping, which makes it easier to rotate by 90 degrees. Next, let's create a simple charging connector. Create a cube and apply an appropriate bevel. Select the top face, extrude it, and apply Circularize to make it round. Extrude once more to finish the shape. Extrude the bottom section as well to create the pin part. Move the pin section toward the charger body. Press Ctrl D to duplicate the object. Move it into an appropriate position. In the top view, draw a curve. Select the curve and apply Create Sweep Mesh. A mesh will be generated along the curve. Adjust the following values to create the desired shape and complete the model. Since the history is still active, you can easily refine the shape by adjusting the curve's CVs. By default, the profile is circular, but you can change it to other shapes as well. Finally, delete the construction history. Once everything is complete, group all the objects together. In the outliner, select the object you want to add and middle mouse drag it into the group. Delete the curve and finish the model. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell for more Maya tutorials. Thanks.